Hey guys, I recently reviewed the Oneida Air Systems Benchtop dust collector. This guy right here. Look, dust collection is essential to keeping your shop clean, but also your lungs. And not every shop has the space or budget for a full-sized, hard, piped dust collection system. So when space or budget is an issue, oftentimes the simplest approach is hook your tools up to a shop vac, right? Which can certainly capture large particles of dust at the source, like this. The reality though is that there's always some airborne dust that escapes and gets into the air, and this is usually the more lung dangerous dust. Adding a benchtop dust collector just further increases your health and safety of your lungs. Now, the Oneida Air Systems benchtop dust collector was designed specifically to fit on a workbench, behind a tool or next to where you're working, so that can suck in and move that dust away from the source and from your breathing zone. And it does that by blowing or sucking the air in through two filter systems. This portable unit delivers dust collection to tools, like I said, that maybe lack dust ports, like a bandsaw or scroll saw or something, but also it just takes care of that small dust. Now, the first impression I got when I started using this was, obviously it's a very slim profile, powder coated rectangular box, easy to pick up and maneuver, fits on the bench or even on a bench up against the wall easily. First thing I did though is I took the filters apart. I wanted to see what was behind the two filters. So there's a dual filter system. There's this blue pre-filter, and then there's an inner MERV 15 filter, and then there's an array of 6 fan motors that provide up to 535 CFMs, and you can control that with a variable speed dial. Now, one nice thing is that this collector plugs into a 110 volt outlet, so it's a plug and play tool. You don't have to wire it like my dust collector had a special plug I needed. Additionally, there's another outlet so you can plug in sanders directly to that. Now, the dual filter system, the filters are third-party compatible, so it makes it easy to get them, which is great. There are these 2 top threaded inserts for kind of fixed mounting or permanent mounting in your shop if you needed to do that as well. So how did I use it? I used it on my table saw and sanding with my random orbital sander. I set it up a foot or 2 away, and I purposely tried it with and without the vacuum and the dust collection system on, because I wanted to kind of create some additional airborne dust. The results were impressive. I could actually see clouds of dust getting sucked into the dust collector. It was like someone was blowing a fan of dust away. It worked really good. The air was certainly cleaner and safer for my lungs. As far as cost, this unit costs $599, and the dual replacement filters are going to run about $100 to replace. Now, the cost certainly gets your attention, but the win here is that you need to think of this tool as a health benefit, but also a problem solver. It's great for small shops that don't have dust collection systems, and it's also going to protect your lungs, and is just a great investment for those small shops. You just can't plumb dust collection systems in every space. I think dust collection is essential in keeping your shop and lungs clean. It's super important. This is going to allow you to do that, especially it allows you to plug and play immediately. You can just buy it, set it up, and use it. We recommend it. It's a nice addition to the shop, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right there. The notification bell helps support our YouTube ranking, but also will notify you when we publish new videos. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you next time here at Toolbox Buzz. Take care.